Saksakalyan gunarnavasya Vande Guru Sri Charanarabindam.
The Brahmans were not only given well-fed cows in charity, but also gold coins, bedding, clothing, animal skin seats, blankets, horses, elephants, girls, and sufficient land for maintenance. All these charities were meant for the Brahmans, whose lives were devoted entirely to the welfare of society, both spiritually and materially. The Brahmans were not giving their services as paid servants, but the society provided them with all necessities. It was arranged for some of the Brahmans, who were in difficulty for marriage, to be given girls. The Brahmans, therefore, had no economic problems. The Kshatriya kings and rich mercantile men would provide them with all that they needed, and in exchange the Brahmans were completely devoted to the elevation of society. That was the way of social cooperation between the different castes. When the Brahman class or caste gradually became easygoing, being fed by the society, although they had no Brahminical qualifications, they degraded themselves into Brahm Bandhus, or disqualified Brahmans, and thus other members of society also gradually fell down from the social standard of progressive life. As described in Bhagavad Gita, the caste system is the creation of the Lord, and is arranged according to the quality of work rendered to society, and not in terms of birthright, as falsely claimed in the present degraded society.